Just hours ago, Diego Ibarra appeared in a Macon courtroom. His brother, Jose Ibarra, is accused of murdering a student in Athens. Right now, documents filed by federal prosecutors claim Diego may be involved in a Venezuelan gang. He's accused of having a fake green card after investigators searched the apartment where the brothers lived. Anthony Montalto is at the courthouse with the latest on the case. Anthony, what can you tell us about this morning?
When I just stepped out of the courtroom about a half an hour ago, both sides only expected this to take about 30 minutes, but between testimony from a Homeland Security investigator, well, it took closer to an hour and a half. Now, Diego Ibarra waived his right to a preliminary hearing where the government would need to present probable cause on the charge that he had a fake green card. Next came the detention hearing. Special Agent Benny Bryant Jr. testified the GBI called him in the day Ibarra was stopped in Athens. Investigators asked him to verify the green card, which he says is fake. The card showed two different birth dates, he says, and security features were missing. Then prosecutor Mike Morrison asked about Diego Ibarra's history in the U.S. Morrison says Ibarra was supposed to wear an ankle monitor while he waited for a judge to decide if he had a, quote, credible threat in returning to Venezuela. Now, the government says Ibarra cut it off and left it on the side of the road in Colorado before coming to Georgia. So that was one of Judge Charles Weigle's main reasons for granting the government's motion to keep Ibarra in custody until a potential trial. And as for the possible gang ties, well, he said the argument didn't meet legal standards for proof. Now, both defense attorney Shantilia Adaway and U.S. Attorney Peter Leary declined comment after the hearing. Live in Macon, Anthony Montalto, 13 WMAZ News.
Thank you, Anthony. Now, Morrison says a grand jury will hear the case on Tuesday. If Ibarra is indicted, the case could go to trial.